So this is your final term paper breakup. It is going to be started at 8:30 and it is going to be ended at 12:30 p.m. Every form is having a break of 5 minutes. ठीक है. After 5 minutes your second form is going to be posted at the Google Classroom. Properly open each and every form. First complete all your informations, your name, your section, your email address, and then start the form, complete the form, and then properly check out your answer and then submit it. ठीक है. ट्राई टू कंप्लीट ऑल द फॉर्म्स प्रॉपरली ऑन टाइम. ठीक है. ये भी नहीं कि 8:30 पे स्टार्ट किया है और 8:40 पे जस्ट वी आर ट्राइंग टू कंप्लीट द फॉर्म के बस जल्दी से हमने ऑप्शंस क्लिक कर दिए. नो, जस्ट टेक योर टाइम, प्रॉपरली चेक ईच एंड एवरी ऑप्शन. दिस इज़ योर फाइनल टर्म एग्ज़ाम. ठीक है. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. गुड लक एवरीबडी. गुड लक. एनीथिंग, एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके जी बिल्कुल. Students are asking me the question, Halima, your marks will be shown to you on the spot. ठीक है Sumaya, I also want to tell you about this, that you will get your marks on the spot when you complete the form. ठीक है. On the individual forms you will get your marks. Okay, but please remember that there will be how many questions will be there in each form? Okay bete, form 1 will contain 40 questions. ठीक है. In the same way you are going to have number of different questions must be there. Everything will be mentioned at the top of the first form. ठीक है. When you open the first form बेटे, read each and every instruction which is written on the form for form number 1 carefully. ठीक है. Form number 1 पे you are going to have each and every information about all the form, about all the timings. ठीक है. आपके पास ये जो breakups मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ इस वक्त, it will be inshallah posted by me soon in your Google, at your Google Classroom. या आप अपने पास नोट डाउन कर लें. ठीक है. यू विल हैव दिस ब्रेकअप फॉर योर पेपर, ईच पेपर थ्रू यू विल गेट दिस ब्रेकअप फॉर ईच एंड एवरी पेपर थ्रू द गूगल क्लासरूम. आप हर पेपर का ब्रेकअप अपने पास लिख के रखिए ताकि ऑन द स्पॉट व्हेन यू आर starting the paper, you must have this breakup in front of you. You must have your loose sheets, your stationery, and your क्लॉक इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ठीक है. यू मस्ट हैव द वॉच इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. आपके सामने होनी ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू चेक आउट द टाइम प्रॉपरली. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द पेपर ऑन द टाइम. एग्जैक्टली. इट विल बी बेटे पेपर 100 मार्क्स का है आपका. ठीक है. मार्क्स बिल्कुल शो होंगे आपको. येस. एनीथिंग एल्स? Miss, total all subjects. Zohib, I can't understand the question. Yes, marks will be shown to you. Okay, marks will be shown to you. Any other question related to this? Your marks will be shown to you just like the mocks. Just like the mocks बेटे, आपको एक फॉर्म पोस्ट होता है. Then we are going to post the second form, and then we will stop the responses of that form, and then we will post the next form. In the same way, these mocks were just given for your practice, कि आप practice में आ जाएं कि how you have to attempt your final term paper. ठीक है. So I think now you are much more prepared for your final term. No bete full marks. I am telling you, your final term mathematics paper is of 100 marks. ठीक है. Is of 100 marks. ठीक है. Form 1 will be of 40 marks and Form 2 of 15 marks, form 3 will be of 15 marks, form 4 will be of 15 marks, and form 5 will be of 15 marks. ठीक है? So the numbers will be 40. The total numbers will be 100. Okay, total paper will be of 100 marks. Any other question? बेटे अली, आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट द फुल मार्क्स. ठीक है बेटे, फॉर्म 1 आपका MCQs बेस्ड है अगर, राइट, MCQs बेस्ड है तो यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 40 marks in the choose the correct answer, then 15 marks in true false. In form number 3 you are going to have 15 marks, in form number 4 you are going to have 15, in form number 5 you are going to have 15. ठीक, तो 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 40 100. Is it clear? Everything is clear bete? Any other question? Is there any question? Say yes or no. Acha, one more thing what I want from you. Bete, when you complete the first form properly and when you submit it, I want a favor from you. Please, in the comments, प्लीज़ मेंशन डन. ठीक है, आप वहाँ पे डन लिख दीजिएगा कि येस मिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड इट. ठीक है, एक और बात बेटे, बहुत जल्दी करने के कोई मार्क्स नहीं होते. प्रॉपरली कंप्लीट द फॉर्म ऑन टाइम. ठीक है, टाइम पे कंप्लीट करें और कंसंट्रेशन के साथ अटेम्प्ट करें. राइट, दिस आई जस्ट वांट दिस फ्रॉम यू. I hope that I have explained each and everything about your paper. Any confusion left? No? So now, a student, here I want to discuss some questions with you through my notebook also. ठीक है, what you can do, you can just copy down the question also. ठीक है, question number 1 is find the product by using formula. Bete, first we have to check, for example I get this question, first I have to check that first term is same and the second term is different, right? We can't use exercise 3.11 formula. We can use the formula from exercise 3.10 and the formula क्या है बेटे? Formula is x plus a x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus bx a into b. This is a formula, right? This is a formula. ठीक, here let's compare the formula with our question. Here x is equals to a, here a is equals to 2. Yes Ali? All clear. Okay, here x equals to a, here a equals to, beta a is equals to 2. What about b? Yes Ali, there is a mistake in the book. ठीक है, बुक में मिस्टेक है बेटे. ठीक, b इज इक्वल्स टू -4. वेरी गुड रमला, नॉट 4 बेटे, -4. ठीक है, बिकॉज हेयर प्लस b इज देयर एंड हेयर -4 इज देयर, तो b इज इक्वल्स टू -4. राइट, b इज इक्वल्स टू -4. बेटे स्टूडेंट्स, I am continuously checking the chats, so please if you are having any problem you can ask your question through the chat box, because this is the last session. You can ask the question through the chat box quickly. ठीक है, so this is a question. Now we have to put the values in the formula, so let's put the values. Okay, so here x equals to a, so we get a square, a is equals to 2. Here b is equals to -4. Here x equals to a, and here a is equals to 2, and here b is equals to -4. b is equals to -4. Is it clear? But just put the values in the given formula, right? We get here a square plus 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 gives you 2 minus 4. Shabash Ola, excellent. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, then a, then plus minus, बेटे plus minus minus, plus minus minus, Ola, plus minus is minus, 4 2s are 8, ठीक है. So we get a square plus minus minus 2a minus 8. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Same answer. Okay, very good. Yes, Radha, geometry में you are going to have the steps of construction in the way which I explain you right now in 13.1 geometry rectangle construction. ठीक है. I can draw the diagram. I can give you. I can show you a triangle, and I can ask you that how can we. For example, if the right angle triangle is there, I can ask you that for the perpendicular, what will be the step of construction? ठीक है. Radha, is it clear? एग्जैक्टली बेटे, थ्योरम इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड. ठीक है. थ्योरम नंबर 2 वी नो दैट, मैंने एक्सप्लेन ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. थ्योरम 2 इज इंक्लूडेड. आई कैन गिव यू द स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है. फॉर थ्योरम नंबर 2 आई कैन आस्क यू दैट विच वन इज द करेक्ट statement. I can ask you that what is the correct given. ठीक है. I can ask you that what is the correct statement of construction. For example, the correct statement is draw AD the bisector of angle A meeting BC at point D. ठीक है. I can give you some different option including the correct option. ठीक है. आपको सही option correct पिक करना है, आपको सही डायग्राम और आपको सही रीजंस आने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंगल 1 इज कॉन्ग्रेंट टू एंगल 2. ठीक. एंगल 1 इज कॉन्ग्रेंट टू एंगल 2. what is this? What's the reason behind it? The reason for this statement is construction. ठीक है. तो in this kind I can ask you the theorem. Okay Ali, is it clear? एग्जैक्टली बेटे, हु इज़ आस्किंग मी दिस क्वेश्चन दैट स्कूल टाइमिंग्स में पेपर होगा. मैंने पूरी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दी कि आपका पेपर 8:30 से स्टार्ट होगा. 12 मैंने ईच एंड एवरी थिंग एक्सप्लेन किया है. एंड सुभाना, यू आर आस्किंग मी दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. सब बताया बेटे मैंने अभी. ठीक है. दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ क्लियर. अच्छा, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Exactly, Ramla, exactly. ठीक है. Now 97 is there. 97. ठीक है. The next question I have picked that we have to find the square of 97. Now students, start solving this question with me and through the chat box quickly give me the answer. Okay, very good Ola. 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3. Very good. So which formula we can apply over here? The formula is, I'm going to unmute one student here. Okay. Yes, Sheroz, unmute yourself. Yes, Sheroz, which formula we have to use? Quickly tell me which formula we have to use here.
X plus y square is equals to x minus y square. X minus y square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square.
Okay. So what is your x? What is your y?
This our x is 100 and our y is minus 3.
No. Y is 3. Y is 3 only.
3.
Y is 3 only. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में when you are attempting 3.10, बेटे here plus b is there. ठीक है. plus b, so plus b is equals to minus 4, right? But here in this question your x is equals to 100 and your y is equals to 3. ठीक है. क्लियर हो गई बात?
Yes, miss.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now I am going to unmute Sumayya right now. Sumayya. Yes, Sumayya. Let's solve the question together, bete. Sumayya, in the solution.
Yes,
solution quickly, Sumayya, tell me what I have to do.
100 minus 3
Very
whole
good.
square
Sumayya,
is
how
equal
are
to
you?
100 square
Sumayya,
minus-
are you fine? Are
yes,
you okay?
miss.
Acha.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
2
2.
100
Okay.
टीचर दूसरी ब्रैकेट में 3
3. Right. Then
और 3 स्क्वायर
plus 3 whole square.
स्क्वायर
Acha, now quickly. Here we get, here 100 is there.
40 टीचर 40
Very good, bete. 2 3s are 6. 100 plus 3 threes are
9.
9.
9.
So first what we have to do? We have to add or
Teacher,
subtract?
plus
Very good.
add
Add. So we get 10009 minus
9.
600.
600.
Now student, I want the correct answer from you. Quickly. Give me the correct answer through the chat box.
Miss 9391.
93. No.
91.
No. No. Not 9391. Student, share your answer in the chat box, please. Sumaya. Everybody. What is the correct answer?
9409.
9409 is the correct answer. Very good. The correct answer is 9409. ठीक है? कैसे आया ये आंसर? Let me explain you quickly. बेटे 10009 is over there, right? We have to subtract 600. 9, 0 minus 0. Now this 10 becomes 9. 10 minus 6, 4. We get 9. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Exactly, Ali. First we have to do addition, then we have to do subtraction. Now the next question, here we can see the next question. I want students to please raise your hand and discuss this question with me. What should be added to 4a square plus 25 to make it a perfect square? ठीक है? हानिया फ़हीम, unmute yourself बेटे, जल्दी जल्दी.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Hania. Bete, the question is 4a square plus 25. Okay, what should be added? So first, what we have to check out? Hania, what we have to check out in this question?
Mrs. Kenya's square कौन कौन से
Exactly. Is it a square, Hania?
Yes, miss. 2.
It's a square of
2.
only 2? Only 2, bete?
2a.
2a whole square.
2a.
Now, what about the second term, Hania? 25.
5 square.
Okay. Is it a yes, it's a square. So, bete, which term is missing? Which term is missing here?
Miss last term.
Last, that is
2y.
2xy term is missing over here. Very good. That means here, this is the first term, x square, and this is the term y square. Absolutely correct, Sumaya. So here x square and y square is over there. Bete, Hania, if this whole term is a x square, what is our x?
2a.
2a. Very good. Here let x is equals to 2a and y is equals to
5.
5. So here we can apply the formula. The formula is
X plus y is equals to x
Sorry?
square plus 2xy plus 5.
exactly x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this is the missing term right now. Okay, so in the solution, Acha, this is a main part. This is a main part. What we have to write it over here. Okay, I can give you the, for example, if you get this question, I can write down the first step. I can ask you that which one is the correct step number 1, which one is a correct step number 1 for solving this question. ठीक है, तो what I have to write over here?
2a plus 5.
2a plus 5. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट्स क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं यहाँ पे? हानिया, स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ क्या लिख देते हैं? 4a स्क्वायर, हाँ 4a स्क्वायर प्लस 25 लिख के बैठ जाते हैं. राइट, वी हैव टू राइट x प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर. नाउ x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy plus y square. So what is our x? 2a. 2a. What is our
2a.
y? What is our y? 5. And what is our y? 5.
5.
Right? So 2a whole square gives us
4a square.
4a square. Now what about the second term? 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are
20A.
20a. 20a, then plus
Plus
5
25.
square, 25. That means 4a square
20A
plus
should be added.
25. What should be added here? That means this should be
20A should
added.
be added to make
Exactly.
4A square plus 25 a perfect square.
Excellent. 20a should be added to 4a square plus 25 to make it a perfect square. Clear? Students, this is clear? ठीक है? In this way you can solve the questions. ठीक है? So students, here we were discussing these objectives. ठीक है? Quickly, what you have to do, please, one by one I'm going to unmute you and please share the answers with me. Okay students, share the answers with me. Okay, number 1, the fourth proportion of 3 4 6 is equals to what? The fourth proportion. Yes, one by one, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Ramla, number 1.
Miss X.
Yes, x is equals to, sorry, x is equals to
8, Miss 8.
8. Asya, 8 is the correct answer?
Yes, Miss.
It's the correct answer. So students, you have given me the answer 8. ठीक है? 6 4s are 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Very good. Mean proportional of 4 and 16. 4 and 16. Yes. 4 and 16. Yes. Ali, Muhammad Ali.
Miss 8.
8.
X, Miss 16 for the 64.
Yes.
X square equal to 64, taking square root 8.
Very good. Very good. With the proper description, he has given me the answer. Very good. Now the next is 1 over 3 is to 1 over 7. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, Sheroz. What will be the answer?
7 is to 3.
7 is to 3. 7 is to 3 is the correct answer. Yes, Asya, is it the correct answer?
Yes, Miss.
Sumaya, is it the correct answer?
Yes, Miss Teacher.
Yes, Hania, is it a correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now the next one is Sumaya. Sumaya, this question is for you. Each angle of n dash is of 60 degree. Sumaya, each angle.
Equilateral.
Very good.
Equilateral.
Equilateral. Now next question. Very good. Next question. Arib. Yes, Arib. Arib, thrice a number is subtracted from x. 81 is obtained. 81 is obtained. Arib, unmute yourself, bete. Ola. Okay, Ola, unmute yourself. Ji bete. Subhana, Sania, unmute yourself, bete. Give me the response. Vanya,
X minus 3x is equals to 81.
x minus 3x. Sure? Are you
Yes.
sure? Yes.
Miss first वाला.
First वाला है, second वाला है?
Second.
Second? Yes, Arif.
First.
First or second?
Miss first वाला.
Acha. Now, someone is saying that first one is the answer. Someone is saying that the last one is the answer. Bete, thrice a number is subtracted from x. ठीक है? Thrice a number is subtracted from x. ठीक है? So x minus thrice a number. ठीक है? So thrice a number means 3x. It gives the answer 81. Okay? So Areeb, subtracted is written over here. Thrice a number is subtracted from x, so the answer will be second option. Okay, now the next one. Next, the common point of the line segments are called, yes Hania, the common points of the line segments
Vertices.
are called the vertices. Very good. Acha, so the last question here, I am going to ask this question from, please Sania, Rida, Subhana, Vanya. बेटे क्या हो गया? Vanya, unmute yourself जल्दी से बेटे. Vanya, unmute yourself right now. You are not sharing any answer with me today. Yes, Vanya. Vanya, unmute yourself. Subhana, Rida, Sanya. Who's there? Rida. Yes, Rida. X minus 13 is equals to 40 is an example of what? Is an example of? I can't hear you. Sorry, beta, I can't hear you. Okay, here students are sharing their answers. Open बेटे. अरीब false कैसे हो जाएगा? अरीब please prepare properly for the exams. False कैसे हो गया बेटे? It's the open sentence. ठीक है? It's the open sentence because we don't know the value here of x. ठीक है? For any one value, this equation is going to be correct. Acha, for which value it is going to be correct? When x is equals to 53. Okay, when x equals to 53 minus 13 gives you 40. That this sentence is true for one value, that is 53, and it is false for any other value. This type of sentence is called open sentence. False कब होगा? False कब होता है? False statement कब होता है? For example, if it is written x plus x is equals to 4x. Is it true, false? Is it true, false? Yes, Hania, is it true, false? Hania, unmute yourself.
False,
Is it true,
yes,
false?
false.
It is false. Very good. It's false. ठीक. अच्छा, Ali, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Ali, I am going to ask the question. ठीक है, इसी तरह का मैं एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, the question is c plus c is equal to 2c. ठीक, this is a true false. C plus c is, one second, c plus c is equals to 2c is not the example of true sentence. ये मैंने बात सही की है या फॉल्स की है? इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? C plus C is not the example of true sentence.
False, false.
False. Very good. So just listen to me carefully, just read the statements carefully when you are attempting the question. Very good. You have given me the correct answer, students. Very good. And I want the students who are not giving me the correct answer right now, please bete prepare yourself. You have 2 days more. Acha, now what you have to do, 3.10 question 20 solve karenge. ठीक है, and here 3.10 question 20 quickly, and please 103 का स्क्वायर अभी फाइंड करेंगे क्विकली. ठीक है, आई हैव गिवन यू 2 क्वेश्चन, 3.10 question 20 and 103 square of 103 quickly. 103 quickly. 2 questions are there. Quickly solve it. बिल्कुल सही. ओला 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3. Students, last 6 minutes are left. Again, I'm asking you again and again, if you're having any question in your mind about the paper, you can share your question, your queries with me. Don't hesitate to ask the question. I'm sitting to give you the answer, okay? You can share your questions with me. Wow, Sumaya, you have solved the question. You have to quickly show me your notebook as well, that where you have done everybody your solution. Very good, Sumaya. Excellent. Question number 20 of 3.10 and 103. Right? 103. I hope you have copied the index. We have to do these. I have make so many objectives for today, but as only 5 minutes are left, it will be difficult to complete all the work. Okay, but you have already seen these kind of statements so many times, that two sides of the quadrilaterals are called opposite if they have common endpoint. Is it true or false? Yes, is it true or false? Yes, Hania, is it true false? The two sides of quadrilateral are called opposite if they have common
False.
endpoints.
False.
False, it is false. ठीक, it's false. ठीक, it's false. Now this is not an example of false sentence.
False.
False. ठीक. Now next one is Sheroz. Sheroz, the diagonals of parallelogram are perpendicular. True, false?
True. It's true.
बेटे डायगनल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं.
Sorry, no, sorry.
Ali, quickly tell me. Diagonals of
It is
perpendicular.
square root false.
It is false because the diagonals of square are perpendicular. ठीक है. Sumaya, next one is for you. Sumaya, any two
Miss,
adjacent
false.
angles. Any two adjacent. Yes, it's false. The diagonals of rectangles are
टीचर
congruent.
टीचर 4 नंबर आपने नहीं किया.
4 मैंने नहीं किया है. अच्छा,
Yes,
an
miss.
acute triangle only have one acute angle.
टीचर false है.
False, right? अच्छा, any two adjacent angles are complementary.
No, टीचर false.
False. ठीक. Now the diagonals of rectangles are congruent.
True.
True. It's true.
True.
Right? It's true. Now the next one is pi is a ratio between circumference and diameter.
True.
True. The circle has infinite number of radial segment but only one radius, students.
Yes.
Speak up, everybody. You can speak up. Yes,
False.
Sharuz. The
Yes, miss.
yes,
Yes,
the
ma'am, it's
circle
true.
has infinite. Is it true or false?
It's true.
True. Very good. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral is called its diagonal. It's true. ठीक है? Very good. So we have completed this form also, and we have completed all the objective here. Before saying thank you to you here, I hope you all have completed the task which I have given to you. Can you show me your notebook? Anyone show me the notebook? Sumaya, can you show me the notebook, student? Yes, Ramla. Done, bete? Ali? Yes. Ramla, Ali, they are completing right now. Very good. Very good. So here we get 10609, the answer given by Ramla. Okay, Ramla, very good. You have shared so many times your answers with me. You used to complete your work properly on time with me. I really appreciate all the students. ठीक है? I really appreciate my active participants. Rida, your answer is not correct. Rida, your answer is not correct, bete. Here I want to share the work of Ramla again. 1 second. Ramla, Ali, bete, Ali, can you show me your work as well? Ali, acha, Sheroz, you are completing 3.10. Okay, here we can see question number 20. ठीक है, question number 20, a square minus ba. बेटे, where is ba? A is missing. and plus minus minus 30b square. Now is it correct? Shabash. Question number 1 is correct. Show me question number 2. You are solving it right now. ठीक है हानिया? Okay, here Rada, just look at the work of Hania. बेटे यहाँ पे 10,000 plus 600 plus 9, we get the answer 10609. Very good, very good. So I hope that each and everything is clear to you, students. I have shown you that which one is the correct answer for both the question. I have shared the answers with you. I have shared. Okay, so good luck for your paper, my dear. Take care. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.